In this video, I want to explain all the messages in crop circles. Okay, I'm going to start and make this very short. I got lots of other videos to explain everything, but very short. Mostly all the messages in crop circles are explaining about ascension to a higher consciousness. I can go into great detail, go through all of them. There are other messages within messages, but I can go through all of it and I can prove it. I have many other videos showing them all about this. Now, the main repeating message in crop circles, which you will see, is 3 to 5. That means number 3 to number 5. Now, and then the extension of that message is 3 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8. What that means is we're going from a 3-dimensional reality to a 5th-dimensional reality. Or we're going to a 3-dimensional to 5th, 6th, 7th, 8. So you can wake up to a higher dimensional level than even 5th dimension if you choose. It's your choice, it's free will. Now this is what extraterrestrials are explaining. You have to understand, all you humans here, you want to make drama about everything, but don't make any drama about it, because you have to understand how big a consciousness is with extraterrestrials. When you get to something like an 8-dimensional Arcturian, when I communicate with one, it's like communicating with 1, 1,000, 10,000, million of them all simultaneously, and they're all sharing all their information, and the consciousness is very vast. And when I get into trying to reach 9, 10-dimensional levels, it's just I have enough problems with 8 dimensions, but it just, so vast. So I have many other videos explaining everything, but that's the short of it all. And if you see anything else, it's just you're just making drama about the whole thing, because we're ascending to a higher conscious level. Now, the beginning of there will be one there and one not. It talks about in the Bible, this has begun now. There's a separation. We have 3-dimensional and 5th-dimensional Earth, and mostly 9 are shifting away, and a few are not. Now I'm also going to explain just a little bit here. I have many other videos explain all these things in great detail. This is a holographic universe. I can prove it in many different ways. I'll make a video to explain about a holographic universe. But basically the idea is we are all eternal beings, and we've all been in many different shapes and forms, endless shapes and forms, and endless universes. It goes on and on. The fact that we are eternal beings, we need to have amusement for ourselves. ETs know all that, and they're trying to share and help us to remember who we really are. Earth is a thrill ride in a holographic universe. And it's the densest reality of all. And it's ruled by fear. I get lots of other videos to explain all about this as well. I'm just trying to make this one a very short video so you understand that 3 to 5 is the main repeating message, and most of all the messages in crop circles are we're ascending to higher conscious level. Now, how do I know all of this? How would I know that? How does this guy know that? Well, I've gone through extensive hypnosis. I've always remembered a lot of things during my life, little glimpses and understandings and connectedness to what I'm explaining. But I've gone through extensive hypnosis. I also do hypnosis with people, and the same stuff comes through everybody. And if you want, the best way to explain this is Dolores Cannon. She did hypnosis, and she wrote about, 18 books. The best ones are the Convoluted Universe, Series 1 to 4, and The 3 Ways of Volunteers. And with all her, thousands of people she did hypnosis on, she just wrote down what they explained. Not her opinion about anything. It's just she just wrote down what they explained in hypnosis. I have many friends that do the same type of hypnosis. I do the same hypnosis with people, and it comes through all of you. When you look in the mirror, you have to realize you're an eternal being. You've been around forever and ever. And but here on Earth, you have amnesia. You forgot all about it, but you got stuck in this game. Actually, this is where, you know, higher conscious like myself, well, you're all higher consciousness anyways, but that we had to come in here and awaken at a certain time to help awaken all of you to remember who and what you really are. So follow all the circles in a crop circle, and you find 3 to 5. I have a video that explains that. Anyways, thank you. Hope we all awaken and remember who we really are.